All right, guys, we're back at the fabled JPR Imports. I have a roll racing event in 1 week. I drove the BRZ down here, had a little whatever going on, but the car is now on the dyno inside of there. So we're running this thing on ethanol today. Our main issue is the fact that we're almost maxed out in duty cycle with the wastegate so far that we're looking at the tune. We're gonna see. Okay, so we're back on the Link ECU. Thanks to Link once again for sending out the whole system for this car. We're gonna see what it makes on everything. I'm curious to see what it does because this car up to this point now has just been tuned by us in a parking lot. So to be on the dyno is a lot faster changes now. All right, I think we're gonna go for one of our first pulls. Not exactly sure why the DRL is out, but we'll find out.
Is that FA?
I don't think so. Alright, they're gonna go for another set, see what happens. Instead of cleaning them out, so it shouldn't break up like that anymore. This is still on pump gas, we have 348. I think revving up to like 8,000 or 8,500. He's still cleaning it up, so I don't expect to make a whole lot of power on pump gas. As I've said in the past, we've made the same number pretty much every time. Tries again. Essentially what's going on now, he upped the rev limit to 9,000, but
makes 250.
yeah, sure. And he upped the boost past 7,500 RPM, so it can hold steady at 16 because our turbo is too small, which we already knew, but we're gonna see what it makes. Apparently the lights just work now. Pretty healthy. Alright, so they just drained the fuel out using our turn line from there. I only filled it up with 5 gallons in it, so of course it's less than that. Now I'm gonna run the Ignite Yellow in there. We're gonna see how much it makes. We're aiming for like 500, low 500s. Whatever makes past that is a surprise. Now we're putting in conventional VR1 because FedEx sucks. Yeah, I ordered renewable lubricant premix to put inside of here. That's like one of the only ones on the market to have like protection against alcohol and methanol. Some other ones on the market as well, like Hutz and stuff like that. But from what I can get right now, we got to use conventional. Apparently this is fine to use with alcohol because synthetic will break down while you do that. So conventional VR1, I had an extra quart in the back of the car. Now we pour in the 5 gallons. We're mixing 2 to 1. Take a whiff. It smells like well, my old grandpappy. No, just it started up faster than gasoline. That's really, it started faster on ethanol than the general gas. I'm like, it didn't even, it sounded like it was just open the whole time. I'm like, that sounded ridiculous. Okay. We're still at 75. We'll put the rest in. All right, we're gonna go for another pass on the 85. First pass made 321 on 8 pounds. Once again, should be pretty cool. So we're at 80% ethanol right now. For some reason, the E98 with whatever was the tank is mixing the E80. Oh. On! Yeah. Just gotta give it more gas. Alright, so we're running out of wastegate springs. We're at almost 80% duty cycle, and we're not able to make more power without more boost, so we're cleaning it up, trying to pull 100. So because we can't get past our 17.9 pound of boost wall because of my wastegate, it's from the 1990s, and the spring in it is from also the 1990s. Who knows what's in there? Anyways, we can't get past it, so we're just gonna dial in what we have. I'm gonna switch to wastegate sometime this week while I do the rest of the stuff on the car. And at the event, we're gonna do data logs, and we're gonna turn it up from there. We're gonna do a 4th gear pull now instead of 3rd. What? 434. That was a joke. Oh my god, my eyes.
Time to make some steam.
5th gear is gonna be crazy. I don't think I've ever done a pull in 5th gear. Alright, so we're gonna run a 1-to-1, which is 5th gear now. See what happens. The GoPro fell straight down. What?
Made extra 9 horsepower.
Extra 9? I'm okay with that. Some high IATs. So we made 444 at 18 pounds, which is, listen, if you know what this is, then you know that's ridiculous. That's crazy. 444.
That's some good numbers.
Yes, it is. That's over.
Who got next lane?
Who got next lane? Yo, no, I'm gonna release this video with 444, and then I'm gonna put the other gate on it, and then we're gonna go up to 30 pounds.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, CJ. Hello. Oh my god!
Let the tires up.
Oh my god, bro! That thing's moving, bro! Oh my god!
What the hell? Did you just blow the tires off or the clutch?
Jesus Christ!
Nice. At least you know it's a party in third.
That was, yeah. Oh wow, that's crazy. There's no front grip when I'm on the gas.
Yeah, well, that's like the 996.
Oh my, yeah. Get me out of this.
Can I drive?
Try it, Joe. Go ahead.
We're going to the highway though.
The hot, bro. Well, let's wait for it to come back then. In that case. That's just not even right, bro. That's 18 pounds.
It's healthy.
That thing sounded crazy when you went over there. Yeah, I'll take a ride. The way it went into boost right here. Oh my.
Ready?
Yep.
Bro,
This thing feels like a whole nother car.
That's what I'm saying.
This thing feels like a whole nother car. That's crazy.
Oh my god. 10 pounds of boost. Let's take over his bump here. I'll do a pull. Oh my god, bro.
This thing's a menace. That's crazy.
Oh my god. That's like unsafe. And he said he wants to go to 30 pounds.
Man.
Yo.
This is good. Where is that?
That's crazy. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Well, dude, I'm glad you paid me first before you go.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
What the fuck is that?
My goodness, man.
I heard it used to stay on it.
Yeah.
You were on it like it's one that you were really on it.
Yeah.
I was like,
Bro, there's no grip in the front tires anymore. The thing's just up. I turned the tires, there's nothing going on. I gotta add more compression to the rear. I'm gonna have no problem with this car. Yep. Jesus Christ. All right, and at the end of it, yes, we made 444 horsepower at 18 pounds of boost. Those who know. Obviously, you just saw those ride-along clips. Look, they're just as fast as it looks. Possibly more, because things usually look slow on camera. So I couldn't turn. That's how much it was squatting. The wheels were off the ground. But we'll be back here on Monday. This is the Monday before Impact, so see what it makes after.